सबसे आसान चैप्टर यही है मैथ्स में, मैट्रिक्स। मैट्रिक्स इज अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स इन रो एंड कॉलम. Matrix is nothing but it is a arrangement of numbers in row and column. सुबह आप स्कूल में प्रेयर के लिए बच्चे खड़े हो जाते हैं. That is the arrangement of students in row and column that form matrix. Matrix is the arrangement of numbers in row and column. And rectangular array arrangement, a rectangular array arrangement or displacement of number in row and column is called matrix. If a matrix having m rows and columns, then matrix is represented as, if any matrix having m rows and n columns, then matrix can be represented as matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A1n, A21, A22, A23, A2n, and so on. A M1, A M2, A M3, A Mn. If any matrix having m rows and n columns, then matrix is represented as A11, A12, A13, A1n. First subscript represent row, second subscript represent column. First row, first column, A11. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम का एलिमेंट है ये. A12 फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम. दिस एलिमेंट लाई इन फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम. दिस एलिमेंट लाइज A21 second row first column. These are horizontal are rows. First row, second row, nth row, first column, second column, third column. Horizontal are rows and vertical are columns. So first subscript represent row and second subscript represent column. Matrix are denoted by capital letter. And all the elements of matrix are written inside either square bracket or parenthesis or double bar. Generally we use this or this. Sometimes we use this. ये बहुत कम यूज होता है। एंड दिस इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स M into N. M represent rows, N represent columns. This matrix having M rows and N columns. So this is order of matrix. Order of matrix is equal to M into N. Total number of elements in matrix is equal to Mn. इस ऑर्डर का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, we will get total number of elements inside the matrix. This is the plural of matrix. Matrix is singular and plural is matrices, matrices. The element of the matrix can be taken from any field. They can be real number, complex number, or any function. These elements can be taken from any field. They can be real number, complex number, some functions. If they are real numbers, then matrix is known as real matrix. If elements are complex numbers, then matrix is known as complex matrix. In short form, in compact form, we can also write it as A is equal to Aij M into N. I means ith row, J means jth column. So in short notation, this matrix can also be written like this. Once more I am repeating, but matrix is nothing but it is the arrangement of number in row and columns. If any matrix having m rows and n columns, then matrix can be written as A is equal to A11, A12, A12, A1n, A21, A22, and so on. M1, AM2, AM3, AMN. These are called horizontals are called row. First row, second row, nth row. Vertical first column, second column, third column, nth column. Matrices are denoted by capital letters. All the elements of the matrix are enclosed either in square bracket or parenthesis or double bar. Order of matrix is m by n. It is read as m by n. M rows and columns. Multiplication of order gives total number of elements in matrix mn. First subscript represent row and second subscript represent column. Second row, third column का element है this. This is the element of nth row and third column. Element of the matrix can be taken from any field. They can be real number, complex number. If elements are real numbers, then matrix is known as real matrix. If elements are complex number, then matrix is known as complex matrix. These are some basic terms of matrix. Suppose a matrix is given like that: 2, 5, 90, -7, 35, -2, 5/2, 12, √3, 1, -5, 17. So in this matrix there are 3 rows: first row, second row, third row, R1, R2, R3. Number of rows 3. Column: first column, second column, third column, fourth column. This matrix consists 3 rows and 4 columns. Therefore, order of matrix is equal to 3/4. Total number of elements in matrix. Total number of elements in matrix: 3 into 4, 12. Third, next, A13. What is the value of A13? First row, third column. First row, third column. 19. A21. First row, second row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 35. Now A24. What is value? Tell me.
12.
What is the answer of this question, student? A24.
12.
Right, 12. Second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column, 12. Correct. Next, A23. A23. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. 5/2. So these are some basic terms of matrix. Order of matrix: base, 3 rows, 4 columns. Total number of elements, multiplication of order, 12. And the position of the elements. Now, types of matrix. Types of matrix. Number 1, row matrix. Row matrix. Simple. A matrix which having only one row. A matrix which consists only one row. That is the matrix of order 1 into n. A matrix of order 1 into n is called row matrix, having only one row. Like that, matrix A is equal to 2, 0, 3. This is row matrix. 1 row, column 3. A matrix which having only one row is called row matrix. Number 2, column matrix. Column matrix. A matrix which having only one column. Like that, m into 1. A matrix of order m into 1. A matrix which having only one column is called column matrix. For example, 2, 0, 3. Its order is 3 into 1. 3 first row, second row, third row, one column. So this is column matrix. A matrix which having only one column is known as column matrix. Next, square matrix. Square matrix. A matrix which having number of rows is equal to number of columns. A where is equal to n. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns is known as square matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 0, 3, 2, 4, 5, -2, 3, -5, -7. In this matrix, number of rows is 3 and number of columns is also 3. So its order is 3 by 3. So it is the example of square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns is called square matrix. In square matrix, this diagonal is known as principal diagonal. This diagonal element is known as principal diagonal. Or main diagonal. Or leading diagonal. Leading diagonal. This diagonal is known as principal diagonal, main diagonal, or leading diagonal. And this diagonal is known as off diagonal. 1, 4, -7 are the element of principal diagonal. -2, 4, 3 are the element along off diagonal. इसका रोल ज्यादा रहता है प्रिंसिपल का, ऑफ डायगोनल का बहुत कम रहता है। ऑफ डायगोनल और नॉन डायगोनल भी कहते हैं। रिमेंबर दिस diagonal is known as off diagonal or non diagonal elements. Element along principal diagonal are element along principal diagonal are 1, 4, -7, and element along non-diagonal, off diagonal along off diagonal are -2, 4, 3. This is a square matrix. Remember this condition, number of rows is equal to number of columns. As the property of square, length and breadth are equal. Next matrix, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. It is a square matrix. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which having diagonal element. A square matrix which having only diagonal element and rest of the elements are zero. Diagonal matrix is that matrix which is square and having only diagonal elements. Like that 3, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 5 or write this 7. It is an example of diagonal matrix. A square matrix which having diagonal element and remaining elements are zero is called diagonal matrix. It is also written as A is equal to diagonal, only diagonal elements 3, 4, 7. This matrix can also be written in short form as, but you have to write here the word diagonal. So diagonal matrix is a square matrix which having only diagonal elements and rest of the elements are zero. Next, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. If diagonal, it is also a square matrix. Scalar matrix is a square matrix. The same diagonal element, यहाँ same हो जाएंगे, जैसे 4, 4, then it is scalar matrix. Then scalar matrix is always diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix is always diagonal matrix. So remember, Scalar matrix is that matrix which is square and having the several elements. अगर डायगोनल के एलिमेंट सेम हो जाएंगे देन मैट्रिक्स इज नोन एज स्केलर. इफ डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर डिफरेंट देन मैट्रिक्स विल बी डायगोनल and remaining elements are zero. Next, identity matrix. Identity matrix is also a square matrix and having diagonal element unity 1 1 1. It is denoted by I. Its order is 3 by 3. So we write here I3. I3 means a identity matrix of order 3. Identity matrix is a square matrix in which diagonal elements are unity 1 and remaining elements are 0. Identity matrix of order 2. I2. 1 0 0 1. Identity matrix of order 2. 2 by 2. So remember, diagonal and identity matrix all are square matrix. If diagonal elements are different, then matrix is known as diagonal matrix. If diagonal elements are same, then matrix is known as scalar. If diagonal elements are 1 1 1, then matrix is known as identity matrix and it is denoted by I. After identity matrix, null matrix. Next is null matrix. Null or empty. जीरो मैट्रिक्स भी कह सकते हैं, नल मैट्रिक्स और जीरो मैट्रिक्स. Null matrix or zero matrix. It can be square matrix or it can be rectangular matrix. कुछ भी हो सकती है. Null matrix is denoted by capital O. That means 0 is equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0. Is a null matrix of order 2 by 3 or O is equal to null matrix 0 0 0 0 2 by 2. So a null matrix or zero matrix is that matrix which having all the elements are zero. It can be square or it can be rectangular. Now let me take attendance first. Don't go anywhere. Next matrix is horizontal matrix. Next matrix is horizontal matrix. Horizontal matrix. A matrix in which number of rows greater than number of column, that is m greater than n. A matrix in which number of rows is greater than number of columns is known as horizontal matrix. A is equal to इधर उल्टा हो गया, इधर less than. A matrix in which number of rows less than number of columns. So 1 0 5 3 2 1 कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं 5. Here number of rows 2, and number of column 3. M is equal to here 2, N is equal to 3. That is M less than N. So it is horizontal matrix. A matrix in which number of rows less than number of columns. For vertical matrix, its reverse. Number of rows greater than number of columns. Then matrix will be vertical. A matrix in which number of rows more than number of columns. One, 0, 2, 3, 4, 7. Here number m is equal to number of rows 1, 2, 3, and number of columns 2. Therefore m greater than n. So it is vertical matrix. A matrix in which number of rows greater than number of columns. Then matrix is known as vertical matrix. Next, triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. A square matrix, it is square matrix. Square matrix, if each element above and below the principal diagonal is 0. So, for each element above and below the principal diagonal are 0 is called triangular matrix. That means it is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is also known as triangular matrix. This is two types. Triangular matrix is two types. Triangular matrix is divided in two categories. Upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. This is two types. Upper triangular means like this, having only all the elements below the principal diagonal are zero. In upper triangular matrix, it is a square matrix in which all the elements below the principal diagonal are zero. 2, 4, 7, 0, 3, 5, 0, 0, 7, 6. If all the elements below the principal diagonal are zero, it is upper triangular matrix, a square matrix in which all the elements below the principal diagonal are zero is known as upper triangular. A matrix, a square matrix is said to be upper triangular if all the elements below the principal diagonal are zero. And its matrix is like that: 3, 0, 0, 4, 5, 0, 3, 7, 8, 6. This is lower triangular if all the elements above the principal diagonal are zero. If all the elements above the principal diagonal are zero, then matrix is known as lower triangular.